Hey guys, what's going on? Day number 31, guys. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping a new video or going live on YouTube. But listen, guys, today, day number 31. And this video, guys, we're going to show you how profitable an affiliate marketing business can be. For those of you that have been trying and haven't had success, guys, you're going to want to make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, guys, because what you're going to see today is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to affiliate marketing. And make sure you watch all the way to the end of the video so you can get access to my bonuses, guys. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited about this journey that you're going on with me, guys. Day number 31. Let's go.
That's done well over six figures. How would you like to be the first to copy this brand new campaign right here? So what I'm gonna do in this video is I'm actually gonna show you the results that I've been able to create from this campaign, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you too can copy this exact process for yourself. So first of all, before we show you the flow chart here and how this campaign really runs, let's show you the proof and get you super, super excited. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, make sure that you not only subscribe, but tick the bell icon, because in each and every one of these videos in this video series, I'm showing you guys exactly what to do to go from zero to making $10,000 consistently per month like clockwork. So make sure that, of course, you subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon so you receive the action steps in tomorrow's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead. Let's show you guys the results right here. So we've got multiple income streams that we're able to leverage from just this automated system. So all you need to do is simply send website visitors, which we show you how to do, and then let the system do all the selling and telling for you in these multiple streams of income. So you guys should understand by now, the average millionaire has roughly 7 streams of income. So we want to have as many streams of income that we can earn from just one single customer. And these income streams actually help our prospective customer as well reach their overall goals. So in this first income stream, you can see we've earned $6,541. In this income stream, $28,224. This one, $28,873. This income stream, $2,673. And this income stream right here, $33,900. If you do the math, that's over 6 figures with this specific campaign. So what is this campaign? How does it work? Well, what you're able to do is copy all of my traffic sources. So for example, my YouTube traffic, you actually get to copy my YouTube videos. Yes, you get to copy my YouTube videos, upload them to your own channel, your YouTube channel, and pass them off as your own. And this has created so many success stories because people have simply just copied my videos, uploaded those videos to their channel to build their brand and get sales. So you have 2 different strategies when it comes to traffic, okay? You have paid strategies and you have free strategies. YouTube traffic is one of those free strategies, those organic strategies. Now, it does take time to build a brand when it comes to paid traffic. So don't expect to just get views out of the gate, right? This is something that's long-term and it snowballs over time, which means the first month, you might get 10, 15, 20 views to your videos. The second month, you'll double that. The third month, you'll triple that. The fourth month, you'll quadruple that, so on and so forth. So this is ongoing long-term residual advertising. Then you have paid traffic like email traffic, which is traffic you can actually go out there, you can pay somebody to send you leads that you can then email. So you're paying with your money versus your time. So what I've done here is I actually give you my email traffic sources, and I also let you copy the same emails that I use. So if you suck at writing, you don't know how to write emails or anything of that nature, you're able to copy my emails. You also have Facebook traffic. Facebook organic traffic, in this case, much like YouTube traffic, takes time to build up, but nonetheless, you get to copy my Facebook traffic sources. We also have other traffic sources that will be available later on, such as Instagram and TikTok. But when you're getting started, you just want to simply choose 1 to 2, 3 at most traffic sources to start off with. Now, once you select a traffic source, then what you do is you send people through your simple funnel link to a sales process. What is a funnel link? Well, a funnel link sends people through a funnel. And a funnel has a few different elements. It has what's called a capture page, and it looks something like this. Okay. It asks people to give, us their information in exchange for something that we're giving away for free. So that could be, again, in this case, it's the ability to discover how to go from 0 to 10K per month by copying my successful marketing campaigns. So they click on yes, give me instant access here. They enter their email address. They click on yes, give me instant access. Then they're sent to a thank you page right here, right? That's where they get here on the thank you page. Now, this is where it gets really, really fascinating. When they hit the thank you page, they're going to start receiving email follow-ups, okay? These email follow-ups are going to start sending offers to your prospects, affiliate offers. These specific offers right here that you just saw, these are the affiliate offers that we're sending people to on your behalf. So these emails are already written. You're using an email autoresponder service, which means when somebody enters their name and email address, like I showed you, or just simply their email address, they hit this thank you page, but they're automatically being sent out on a daily basis, emails day in and day out, okay? And this email sequence lasts for 60 to 90 days. So this is where the automation occurs. Not only are they being sent out emails, but these emails not only include affiliate links to these different offers, but they also include your YouTube videos. The videos that you can copy that are my videos you can use as your own and upload to your channel. And these specific YouTube videos, guess what they have? They have affiliate links in the description of these YouTube videos. So if we jump over to YouTube, for example, you could see the description of this specific video has affiliate links right here. Okay, so this is an affiliate link. So your YouTube videos will have affiliate links that, of course, once again, are my videos, but you're able to put your affiliate links beneath my videos. So you are able to keep all of the money and I do all the hard work for you. So each and every single day, they'll receive one of these videos. These videos will build trust. It will build know and like, and it will also sell people into these different multiple income streams. What most people are simply doing is they're spamming their affiliate link. Now, here's one really cool thing that I added to this whole entire process. And once I'm done here very, very quickly, I'll show you how you can get access to this whole entire process. One cool thing that I just recently added is a members area that you're going to be able to copy and brand as your own. And by the way, with all these YouTube videos, you can modify them how you want. There are students that are adding their own intros to my YouTube videos so they can start self-branding themselves. And you're going to be able to do that with your own members area. Well, what is a members area? Well, it's an area people can come here and you'll be able to copy this whole entire members area, by the way, and you'll be able to modify it how you wish. You'll be able to put your own image right here. You'll be able to put your own video right here as an intro video so you can really self-brand yourself. And then when somebody goes to the getting started section, for example, they go to step 1, what's going to happen is they're going to watch my video right here. And again, it can have your own intro on it if you choose to do so. and they will click on step 1, step 2, and step 3. This will be modified. These steps will be modified with your own affiliate links. Now, the cool thing is you're going to be able to earn up to 80% plus commissions. Actually, you can earn up to 100% commissions on each of these income streams right here. So you're going to be able to relicense HBA, which is an income stream, MLGS, and you're also going to be able to relicense the Done For You marketing assets, which is my emails, my YouTube videos, my marketing funnels, the membership site, etc., etc. So people will pay a one-time fee to get access, for example, to the Done For You marketing assets. That will make you eligible to go ahead and sell these assets and promote them. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, leveraging my skills and my expertise and even my YouTube videos, and you'll earn that 80% commissions. We're talking between $797 up to $1,597 per sell is what you'll get in commissions, which is super, super powerful. So the idea is multiple streams of income. The idea is to copy my assets, copy my membership site, copy my YouTube videos right here, copy my email follow-ups, and everything in between. How does that sound? How would you like to copy a full-fledged six-figure business and shortcut your success? If that's something that you want to learn how to do, that you're interested in, I want to see if you're a good fit. So I've got a link below that will lead you to Facebook Messenger, where we can actually have a conversation, and I'll show you how to get all of this set up for yourself. Again, I want to make sure that you're somebody that's committed. I want to make sure that you're somebody that's a good fit. And I want to make sure that this is something that you really, really are serious about. So if you're somebody that wants to go from zero, maybe you want to earn an extra $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 per month, this is going to be for you. And in conjunction with this, we actually hold 2 calls per month where I actually show you how to set up your own system as well. So you'll be able to set up this whole entire system yourself. So if you have no experience on video right now, that's fine. Copy my stuff. As you gain more experience, I'll show you how to create your own systems and processes like this so you can scale your business even more. So we'll show you exactly how to not only make sure that you copy this the right way and answer any questions on these calls, but also how to do this yourself and create your own system and really answer any Q&A that you have at the end of each call. It'll all be recorded. It will be put in the members area too as well. So you can go ahead and you can access it at your own leisure. Also, we have a private Telegram chat. So during the interim of these calls, you'll have a live chat where you can mastermind with other members and you can ask any questions that you want. So if you want access to a full-fledged Done For You affiliate marketing system, the best system for 2023, where you copy my videos, you copy the members area, you copy the traffic sources, you copy my follow-up, my broadcast emails, you copy my whole entire process, then go ahead. There's a link to.
All right, guys. So I hope you got some value from that video. And also, it just goes to show you how easy it is to make money online, guys. I know from experience, I've had a couple of high grossing days online. It's just like, you know, every time you get one of those days, you know, a $5,000 day, a $10,000 day, you're just like, wow. It's just like something that you could never even dream of. It just makes the journey so much more fun when you could have days like those, guys. And, you know, and the great thing about it is the more you do it, the more and more those days come. Okay, the more and more days you're going to get like that. High grossing days, $5,000 days, $10,000 days. Absolutely amazing, guys. So like I said, for those of you that follow me and you've made it all the way to the end of the video, here are my bonuses, guys. So if you join me in the E1U Vertex Live, guys, have to be Vertex Live, you're going to get 510 to 570 clicks to your affiliate link. That is a $660 value. So what you're going to do is you're going to either comment on this video or you're going to email me your link. I'm going to take that same link, your link to the multiple income funnel and or your home business academy link, guys. I'm going to go right here where it says other website. I'm going to drop it in here. I am going to click the silver package and I'm going to place the order, guys. Traffic will start in about 24 hours to your link and send 510 to 570 buyers, potential buyers to your link, guys. It doesn't get much better than that. And also, you're going to also get on top of the traffic, you're going to get a Zoom call, one-on-one, half an hour consulting with me. So, guys, don't miss out on that. Join at the Vertex Live level, and I will see you tomorrow for day number 32. All right?